Today we're making a gut cleansing drink to help with those days that you just can't go. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Getting Healthy with Dr. T, where I show you quick and easy health tips on how you can stay healthy and immune ready. Today we're making a gut cleansing drink. Our ingredients are gonna be 2 stalks of celery, a half an apple, about an ounce of cucumber, a half of lemon, and an inch of ginger, a handful of spinach, and a cup of water. We're gonna blend this up really well and have it first thing in the morning. Let's start blending.
Cucumbers are low in calories and contain a good amount of water and soluble fiber, making it excellent in promoting hydration and weight loss. Green apples tend to increase your metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories. Lemon juice acts as a cleanser and helps with digestion. Its acidic nature also helps burn fat.
So an inch of ginger is about this point to your finger. So my inch is pretty big, but I like ginger. I like the taste, I like the feeling, and I like what it does to my body.
Celery is good for constipation, bloating, and water retention. It acts as a gentle laxative and diuretic. Ginger increases energy.
Let's start blending. Okay guys, so this drink is awesome to improve gut health, to help you on those days that you need to go and you haven't gone to the bathroom. There's so much fiber in this one glass that you will have no problems going to the restroom. So I normally have this twice a day to help promote losing weight. Having this 2 times a day for about 7 days, you will see a drastic change in your weight, in your waist, and you can thank me later. Enjoy! And it doesn't taste bad at all. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I show quick and easy health tips on how you can stay healthy and immune ready. If you found any value in this video, do not hesitate to subscribe, share this video with a friend, and I will see you next week. Thank you guys. Stay healthy. It's actually pretty good.